Hey, hi, hello everyone. I'm Naval Yamul. Welcome back to my channel, The Data Master. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the Microsoft Learn Cloud Skill Challenge. You can just go to Google and you can just type Cloud Skill Challenge, and Microsoft is giving you a wonderful opportunities to certify yourself, upgrade yourself in any of the field and domain. I'll show you. So here we have a 30 days to learn it. And once you have completed this challenge, so this challenge would be based on when you are registering it. From that date would be 30 days. So you will be eligible for 50% of your Microsoft certification exam. So you have to do it in 30 days. So if you just scroll down, you can look at some of the statistics here, and you will be able to earn a Microsoft credentials. See, on the Azure side, they are providing you few certifications. You can see here, Fabric Analytics Engineer, all new Microsoft Fabric for it's a SaaS platform for doing all your data engineering, data science, data analytics workload. So the code is DP-600. So you can just click on Get Started, and it will take you to the new page here where you will just start the challenge. I have just finished this challenge here. You can see it today. I finished it. So here you get a button to start the challenge, and you have to complete that challenge in 30 days. Challenge is nothing but it will just give you all the modules. You just need to read the modules, do some hands on, and then give the quiz. So once you complete it, they will send you a exam voucher that is a 50% discount. And one more thing here. So if you look at the Q&A here, somewhere it is noted like you are eligible for only one voucher for 6 months. So if you have enabled for DP-600, you have to give this, and then after 6 months you have to enroll it again. So if you are thinking like I can give two, three certifications, no, you cannot give. With this cloud skill challenge, you can give at least or one in per 6 months. So you can see you have DP 600, and others are you can get a simply applied skill batch here. You if you want to go detail about the generative AI, open AI, and all those things, you can do it. So apart from that, you have AI 900, DP 900, that is Azure AI fundamentals, Azure data fundamentals, and you have AI 102, that is Azure AI engineer also. So I recommend you to choose any of the certification, complete the modules, get a 50% voucher, and prepare for your exam, guys. So this is on the Azure side. I don't think so there's much on the Power Platform. Yeah, I don't have much on the Power Platform, except we have Power Platform App Maker, and you have some certifications on the security. So you can enroll it and finish it in 30 days, and you will be getting a voucher, and you are all ready for your exam. So that's all for today's session, guys. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more details about the Azure certifications, Azure making into Azure AI, please leave a comment on the video. I'll definitely make a videos on that. Thank you again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.